Yes, yes, you are connected.
Great. What is the experience of the training? I mean, it's 7th day now, and I hope it's going all good.
Yeah, it's going on good. Basically, we have come to the something which we were not known to prior to any in medical field. Okay,
Okay.
so we have got some new things to learn. Basic
Yeah,
basic about the water consumption. So
correct.
we are just knowing that what water is essential for us, but इतना essential था इतना नहीं पता था ये चीज.
करेक्ट बिकॉज हम आज तक इतना ही सुना है कि पानी पीना अच्छी बात है
पानी पीना
बट
अच्छी बात है.
नोबडी नोज हाउ वी कैन ट्रीट आवर वाटर टू गेट द
Hmm.
मेडिसिनल पावर्स
This is
Definitely.
the best part
Hmm.
of the training.
oh
Yes.
glad also it is the simplest but most essential part which people miss out, you know, food as medicine,
Exactly.
whether it is blood group hai ya whether it is your approachive or herbal qualities or your ayurveda or natural qualities of food as medicine. ये सारी चीजें we miss out, you know, on our daily life, though we all have a
Yes.
knowledge, as Minal madam always addresses कि ये हमारी दादी के ज्ञान से शुरू होता था, but we never took her seriously. We never took our elders that seriously to find out the amazing disease quality of foods.
Exactly. पुराने लोग is always used to say कि पानी मटके का पीना चाहिए,
Yes.
fresh पानी पीना चाहिए, always.
Yeah, we used to say, but then we are still addressing them as Purane. Halanki the
Exactly.
concepts are
Exactly.
the call.
The
Yes,
mindset.
Neelam, good morning. Good morning, Neelam.
Hi, good morning to all of you.
So, Neelam, your parcel is at your door. You did not connect me about the usage. Are you taking it carefully and CMD आ गया, right?
No, I call you today or
Okay.
tomorrow for that.
Okay. तो अभी तक use नहीं किया आपने?
नहीं आपको पूछ के
Okay.
स्टार्ट करूंगी मैम.
Okay. I was thinking कि आपने मुझे call back नहीं किया, and I was a little bit busy for the last 2 days, so I
No.
couldn't even revert back to you.
I call you.
Yeah. Okay. So Narendra, have you are you attending to any patients as of now in family, friends, ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, we are discussing. I have discussed two cases.
Sona ma'am.
Yeah.
Sona ma'am. Shivani
Yes.
is not able to log in.
What is the issue that she is facing?
Tell her the
Maybe
link
because of
again.
link.
So
Sorry, Nishta.
Ma'am, maybe because of link.
Okay, tell her to rejoin the link. I will just send it to her again.
Okay.
Okay, and if they ask password, we have to type 1.
Okay.
तो मैं आपको भेज देती हूँ. मैंने ग्रुप पे ही भेज दिया है.
Okay, ma'am.
Neelam, good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
How are you finding the session?
Yeah, it's very good.
So what are you planning to go ahead with, and how are you planning to go ahead with it?
I'm planning like my patients, the clients who is with me, to give them this therapy so that they can cure naturally.
Yeah.
Like
So
that.
that, you know, so that automatically the natural ways which were there prior gets into inculcation. See, we say Dadi Ma ke nukse, but Dadi Ma were never able to express us why this has been done. Okay, that was one of the reasons we never believed them. Either we did it because they wanted us. That was the main concern over there. Always, there was always a question mark. Why should I do this? So if now these things are clear, then every child will accept that. You know, the changes, they don't mind it. Like now my younger brother is having BP problem. So even he yesterday told me I will also start the same tree therapy.
Yeah, Meenal madam, you are truly trying to really अपना approach होना चाहिए. See, we cannot force anybody. If the person wants to do it and heal himself naturally, तो वो definitely आएंगे. हम इनको जितना इसके benefits बताएंगे. And to all the people over here, if you are approaching patients, सारी चीजें आप directly बता दोगे तो उनको एक हिचक, एक हेजिटेशन रहेगी, ओ माय गॉड इतना चेंज हम कैसे करेंगे, हाउ कैन वी स्विच ओवर। हम आज तक यही खा रहे थे, जैसे कि हम ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट जब डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो काफी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे, इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज। सो आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर पेशेंट, एक एक चीज आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करनी चाहिए, धीरे धीरे इंट्रोड्यूस करनी चाहिए। हमने आपको इतने सारे ट्रीटमेंट के प्रोटोकॉल्स बताए हैं, all at once will not be accepted by the opposite person also, whether he's a patient, he's your client, he's your companion, your family, तो सारी चीजें will look impossible, हालांकि है नहीं। one thing I would like to ask you all before we start, how many of us have actually started implementing all that we've learned in the 6 days, and what have we started implemented?
I started with, hello.
Yeah, Narendra, I can hear you.
Yeah, I started with the natural water जो बताया था
हाँ.
मिनल जी ने about that pouring that gold, silver and copper into matka and you can drink that water. So I started that thing.
Okay.
Also food तो मेरा पहले से थोड़ा बहुत veg ही रहा है. So not much more changes in it, but I have started with the water.
Yeah, and I think water is the most easiest thing, and gradually we will see the changes because our body is being treated in the way that we have done through all these years. So overnight magical चीजें तो होनी नहीं है. Even when you plant a seed, it takes time to grow. When you graft, when you put in a seed, it takes time to get planted as a, shrub first. Yeah, first shrub and then a tree. तो ये changes हैं जो we have to actually be very clear with our patients. Minal madam, I think we've started.
I think we should start now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, good morning, everybody. So far, we have covered blood group diet, then alkaline water, then sun bath. So yesterday we had covered up. So, what are the advantages? Can anybody tell about the advantages of sun bath? Let me see. Recall.
Ma'am, just let us take in a quick recap because today I have to show them the ways of earning and the other supplements which are more crucial too. Hello.
Yes.
Dr. Supriya, let us start. Just take a recap so that they understand what it is. That's it. Okay, because I need to take the earning and we have only 2 days in hand. So still I need to give them more knowledge so that they enhance us and they take it up with them,
Okay. When you take sun bath, the sun rays enter from the eyes and it reaches to the brain. So it is helpful for getting rid of your tension, depression, migration, and even you feel fresh. Insomnia also. And because able to give us vitamin D, so due to that our bones become stronger, and that is how we should always take a sun bath early morning, say after sunrise, say 1 hour after sunrise and 1 hour before sunset. So it is beneficial for you. And the second that we have covered was enema. So enema is given for the patients who are suffering from constipation, and it is a way of detoxifying our body. So for that, first we should take 4 spoons of sendamate, then add garlic to it, 5 pieces of garlic, and boil it for a liter per liter of water, and then use it for giving enema. On the second day, you can add 2 cups of lemon juice per liter. Third day, you can add ginger juice per liter. And the fourth day, you can add glycerin. And suppose the patient is suffering from cancer, you can give 2 cups of wheatgrass juice per liter. So this is how you try to detoxify patient's body, and it gets rid of itching and all other cleansing properties there in this enema procedure. It flushes out your system thoroughly. and so half the diseases are cured. And because once your toxins are removed, so the body becomes clean, and then it is able to recover fast. Over to you, Meenal ma'am. We covered 2 topics only, no, yesterday. Hello, Meenal ma'am.
Took on supplements also, na, yesterday.
Okay.
That is what I wanted today. It's okay, I'll take it up. Okay. So
Okay,
yesterday
okay.
what we took on the supplements was the heart care. The patient what we saw having a BP, having a heart problem. So what we recommended was heart care, so that his things get the blockage, the fatness get cured about it. Along with that, we recommended him to take kidney care, as the functioning and the cleaning of heart care starts getting into it, so kidney will also start functioning more better. So the toxins outcome has to be there better way. So along with heart care, we always suggest kidney care. And then we told detox, because as he's not a critical patient, we can give him detox too. Okay, he had an acidic, that was also one of the reason. Acidity ke khatir bhi detox bolte hain. And as he is into having lot of acidity and all that, we suggest to go with a high fiber. Okay, because it cleans the system on its own. Otherwise, if he says I don't want high fiber, what we recommend him to take more of papaya, which has got a good fiber content. Any food which has got more fiber content, he should be taking that. Okay, and if in case the same patient say has got even diabetic, I'm just giving an example, please no hardcore feeling. If in case the same patient, okay, say has got even a diabetic, or say has got even the pain in the joints, could be having osteoporosis, so what we will do, okay, we will see, as a patient is diabetic, okay, so we have a product by the name of Dicare itself. So first what we need to do, we need to take care about his diabetic too, for getting the creatine level on line. Okay, the benefit of Dicare is, it is also with 12 Ayurvedic herbs. Herbs मतलब जैसे हम डायबिटिक पेशेंट को बोलते हैं आप करेला खा लो, आप नीम खा लो, आप मेथी खा लो. The same herbs are there in this tablet. Because आप patient को बोलोगे करेला खाओ, ये खाओ, they may feel, there may be many are reluctant to have it. I know many patients who really don't want to have that things. So in this case, you can ask him along with the kidney care. See, if a patient is with diabetic only, so he should be taking kidney care and Dicare, because kidney will remove his toxification. Dicare will help him to clean his diabetic. So Dicare has got Ayurvedic herbs, which is more powerful and beneficial to manage the glucose level. So what it will do? It will improve the digestion system. If in case it's improving the digestion system, the toxins has to go out. So we'll give along with that would be the kidney care product, where proper excretion of toxins is necessary from his body. Purification of blood will happen. Purification of blood will happen, and then his sugar levels will be managed. His sugar level will be properly, and the pancreas condition, the pancreas, which is more crucial for functioning of the liver, will help him to so diabetes, what we, the diseases which forms into, nephropathy, where a patient goes into dialysis. So this should be given even then the Dicare. If in case a patient only has a diabetic, so kidney care and Dicare should go combination. Should go in hand combination. So the ingredients, what we say about, I told about the 12 herbs like Karela, like curry patta. That's the reason when we say a power juice, even if a normal person takes, the toxifications from his body are out. That is one of the reason we insist person to take power juice, even a normal person can take. So curry is inside. Okay, you're putting in that you're also putting herb, tulsi herb. So in this, what is there in dye kit is karela, curry patta, jamun, methi, dalchini. So they are the main herbs only, na? You're not giving something which is not, part of it, his life. So rather person will be more better. He will be more better. Kedis, I'm not taking the juices which is bitter in taste. The dosage over here, depending upon his creatine level, depending upon his condition of the pancreas, the sugar level, we suggest 2 to 4 capsules, because these capsules are mainly, of the diabetic, like it is of like a normal condition, So that's the reason, as it has herbs, so we recommend more, 2 to 4, depending on the condition of the patient. If in case a patient is on the normal borderline, having highly not so much, not more than 200, so then we suggest him to take 2 capsules per time, that is 4 times 8 capsules per day. But yes, if patient is with the dialysis, then we may recommend him 3 to 4 depending on his condition again. So that's one of the reason we ask you, whatever you are prescribing, whatever you are giving to your patient, you should be interacting with your senior buddy. If in case you're not able to get with your senior buddy, you can always connect with Mr. Pradeep sir also. Even he will suggest. Otherwise, we have live sessions between 2 to 3 every day. Discuss on the patient itself. Either Pradeep sir would be there or I am there always. There we guide each and every patient how it is to be done, what way it is to be done. So you can be part of it. Like for an example, you are saying we don't have patients. So there we even take the session, how the patients you can get into it. So we will show you all that. We will guide you. But then you need to know what you have to take it ahead. That is more important. But when a patient is with diabetic, we need to ensure that his food is light, nutritious. Nutritious means he should be more on a 80-20 proportion. If in case he's on 100%, nothing like it. If not, 80-20. And he should be given a lot of water. But if in case he's on dialysis or his creatine level is high, then doctor even suggests he should be given this much amount of water, not more than that. So initially, yes, you can start with that. And then later, reduce it to. Here, the lifestyle plays an important role. Lifestyle in the sense, what we say, what we give you the suggestion of the fitness pillar, where exercise is more important for him. So he need to be doing that, though he cannot do it, but ask him to do basic at least, the minimum, the breathing exercise. Say for an example, dialysis patient. Obviously, he will not have strength. So what you can do is, ask him to do Alom Vilom. Just ask him to do Om ka mantra, just breathing mein thoda loudly and all that. So it will enhance. It will enhance their capacity. और otherwise नहीं, और भी कुछ नहीं करना है. बचपन में हम लोगों को बलून एक्सरसाइज सिखाया जाता था, मुंह से फूंकना. So ask them to do balloon exercise. मुंह फुगा के बैठना, open करना. So that will help them over here in overall manner. Along with that, what we suggest them is not to eat non-veg whenever a patient is on the cohort therapy. Avoid oily foods, spicy foods, too much of salt, too much of avoid fast foods, because that will hinder the progress of therapy. It will not give you the result what it has to be given. You know, a person, like for an example, the kidney person on a dialysis, he says, I cannot have a, 80-20 proportion. I need 100%. No, you have to tell him what are the reasons for, suggesting for. Because the time you start discussing, the time you start saying them more about it, they become acceptable. We need to also ensure that they don't sleep excessively. Somewhere or the other, they are part of something or other which will help them. So we need to ensure that. Any questions over here? Is this clear? Die care. Yeah. Now we spoke, if in case the same patient has got, say osteoporosis or having too much of pain in the feet, in the legs. So we suggest them to take Calmac D. Why Calmac D? Because it has got calcium, magnesium and vitamin D. Many people may say we cannot take, the direct sun because we are allergic in the morning also. So ask them to then to take Calmac D. I myself have suggested day before yesterday, one patient to take Calmac D because she told even the early morning rays of sun starts making her body rashes. So then I told her, okay, then in that sense you start with this because your absorption of your body is not accepting it. That is one of the reasons. So that is one of the reasons where we ask them to take Calmac D. Why Calmac D? Because calcium, it's because of the good health condition. Second thing, it also lowers the cholesterol, reduces the fat gain. Why magnesium? Because of healthy bones and also to maintain cardiovascular functions. Then it reduces the inflammation. So when it is reducing the inflammation, automatically it is taking care of the person who has got a diabetic, whose functions of the kidneys are anyway having a problem to produce an insulin. So here decreasing insulin resistance will be there when your magnesium component is going inside the body. Then we say vitamin D, Calmac D. And vitamin D is a need of everybody. Person having a non-veg still gets in the form of something or other, but person with a veg tend to get problems after the age of 40 because there's deficiency of omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. So the absorption anyway becomes a hindrance for a patient. So here we say to take Calmac D, which helps in reducing obesity. Then it anyway absorbs the calcium because for absorbing the calcium we need vitamin D. If in case he is not able to take through direct sun rays, then this is the best part of it. Here, this medicine is like giving to a kid, so we recommend 2 tablets to start. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times. Any understanding in this concern? Hello. Are you able to understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes. I think any question?
No, not yet.
Yes. So then, as I told you, if the same patient has got a problem in the bones, say arthritis or osteoporosis, then we have got its joint, its bone and joint. This also has got 19 Ayurvedic herbs. So what it will help? It will obviously help to maintenance of the bones and the joint health. Has allopathy medicine only gives you a relief, instant relief, but it has got so many side effects. I know one patient, for the first time, she told me, Okay, at the time of her surgery, that is, she got fractured, you know. After fracture on, before she used to have severe amount of pain. So then, while discussing, she told me, Meenal, I did not take any medicines. I said, then how come you could, you know, bear that pain? She told me the best thing was her own Ayurveda treatment at home. She consumed methi seeds, she consumed jeera seed, but there was a proportion. And with that, even after the surgery, she did not take the medicines for the painkiller. After the surgery, instead of one time, she started taking for 3 times, so that her pain doesn't increases. Now also she is healthy, you know. Now also I meet her once in a while. She stays in my area. Her all her medicines have stopped after 6 months. Doctor itself was shocked, surprised. Okay, doctor itself was shocked, surprised. Okay, how come this patient without the, without the painkiller is being cured? Itself, the doctor was surprised. So even in this, we have got all that things. Second thing, it is completely safe. It is an Ayurvedic. So what it will do? It will strengthen your bones. Automatically, person with a less immunity, like a characteristic which we spoke about, the blood group A, has got, metabolism is very less. So here it will improve their metabolism, blood circulation. As this is because of bones and joint, so reduces of obesity is also there. The inflamed tissues, the ligament issues, what we face. So even this person taking this helps them a lot, because it has got better absorption capacity of calcium and mineral itself. So if in case your body has got better absorption of calcium and minerals, because you are taking minerals in the form of CMD, or you are taking an alkaline water which absorbs your nutrients, so automatically the absorption becomes easier. So wear and tear will be very less. So regeneration and strengthening of the soft tissues will be there. Automatically the pain what you have in the joints or wherever there's a swelling will be reduced. Here the herbs what we spoke about, here the herbs uh, which I spoke about, one, there is a Google, in this also. So what does Google does? It actually neutralizes your three dosa. What we have, Kapha, Pitta and Vat. So Google also fights with an obesity. So you don't tend to put on weight more, as it improves your metabolism. It also reduces your inflammation. It is antitoxin, anti-aging remedy. It's also helpful for the nervous system, because when there is a deficiency of calcium, magnesium, so joint and bones are the one which is a trigger always. So this also helps them in taking it up all that. It restores tissues, building herbs. So there are certain, in this, there are certain herbs like ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is normally also being given to a patient who, who normally just has a pain in the body pain. I used to recommend ashwagandha. Just lelo ashwagandha. It's good. Shank pushpi. It's a brain tonic. So here there is a ashwagandha also, which is a general tonic. General tonic in the sense it cures you overall. So this way there are 17 herbs in this. Then one among them is Pipli. I know in this, yes, where it improves your blood circulation and metabolism to burn fat. Here, the dosage, again, depending on the patient's condition, we recommend. Normally, if in case you're a healthy patient, you just have a minor pain. So what we do is we ask you to take capsule, it's okay. Patient ke upar then depends on what his or her condition is, and then we recommend. Could be 2 per time, could be 4 per time, depending on the severity, depending on the conditions. Any concern, any questions over here? Because now I need to start with 24 ways of earning. So any questions over here in supplement understanding? I need to know that. Any questions over here? Accordingly, I take list of services. Yes, Dr. Umesh. Good morning. Narendra, any questions? You
Not
want to
yet
say
till now.
something?
No, not yet.
So could you understand how do we connect with the same patient what we discussed about yesterday?
Yes.
In case he has got multiple.
Mhm.
But जब भी multiple diseases होती है, इतना याद रखना, critical conditions है, fitness pillar would be the first thing which you need to inculcate. Don't force a person to use the supplement. If in case it's a need, recommend.
Okay.
Also, can I add something here, ma'am, before you start with the ways of earning? Hello. Hello. Are we connected? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Meenal ma'am has lost connection. Okay, as Meenal madam said, yes, recommendation or prescription of supplements is actually not the main task that we are doing over here. So we have to be very, very careful, not only in advising them what to take or not to take, but be more constrained on the food eating patterns and the other types of therapies, which are very, very easy and
Yes.
very, very connected to. Meenal madam, are you there with us?
Yes, I'm there.
I thought you
Yes,
lost
yes,
connectivity.
I'm there.
So I was just going to add
No.
up to whatever you said, that supplement prescription is not our goal. Treating the patient is, and fitness pillars को जितना आप implement करेंगे, blood group diet को जितना हम implement करेंगे, we will be giving faster and longer results. And I think now we can go
Yes.
to the
And
next
second
topic.
thing, if in case, in case there is a need, जहाँ पे आपको लगता है नहीं पेशेंट को ट्रीट करना ही है, मेरे को उनको मेडिसिन का करना ही है, सप्लीमेंट्स देना ही है, यू डोंट हैव अ चॉइस. अगर डायलिसिस का पेशेंट है तो उसको आप देन वी विल से यू वाया एरो ह्यूमैनिटी हाउ वी कैन गेट हिम ट्रीटेड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. वहां पे फिर हम आपको गाइड करेंगे किस मैनर से आप उसका कैलकुलेशन करोगे, कैसे करोगे, सो दैट he gets the treatment free and as well as his treatment gets a cure. Now we come with a list of ways of. Okay, 1 second. Just let me open the file. Till the time any question, I open the file.
Hello.
Yes, tell
Hello.
me, doctor.
Yeah. So
Yes,
it was
doctor. Tell me,
yesterday's
Dr. Umesh. Yeah.
yesterday's case only, cardiac case, or it was a different case. I came late, so that's why.
No, we took the same cardiac test, but pretending if in case he has got even the diabetic problem, so we give give him Dicare, so that is the insulin starts getting absorbed,
Acha,
okay,
Dicare.
or the
Okay.
medicine starts working on it.
So what was the dose for
Dicare for
Dicare?
that reason. Dicare, the dose we recommend is 2 per time, that is 4 times, depending on the condition. See, we have to check over here the creatine levels also.
Acha, acha.
Okay, if the creatine level is very high, then dosage can be 3 per time.
Acha. So depending on the
But
sugar
the
level
dosage
also?
will vary. Yes, yes. So kidney care, Dicare is such a thing which will see everything. You're not going to check only one parameter.
Hello?
किडनी क्या करेगा, उसको डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन करेगा. हेलो,
हाँ.
किडनी की केयर क्या करेगा, उसके सिस्टम को, ब्लड को बढ़ाया, टॉक्सिन्स बाहर निकाला. तो डाइकेयर क्या करेगा, उसको ऑब्जॉर्ब करने की कोशिश करेगा ना. That is one of the reasons. So when you treat a patient, you have to take overall into consideration.
Okay.
We
So by
have
the
2
name,
to
it
3.
is for diabetes only, Dicare.
It is
Hello?
it is known only as a, yes, doctor. Hello.
Yeah, your voice is not very low, so that's why.
Yeah. No. It is by the name of Dicare only.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm.
Because Dicare will overall, start working on its insulin, or whether it will start working on its medications to produce the sugar
Okay.
and absorb into the body.
Mm-hmm.
बिकॉज किडनी केयर क्या करेगा, अपना काम करेगा, उसको किडनीज को टॉक्सिन्स निकाल के ब्लड पंपिंग को बढ़ा के, ताकि वो अगर समझो डायबिटिक के साथ हार्ट का पेशेंट है तो उसको वो प्यूरिफाई करके उसका ओवरफ्लो ज्यादा करेगा ना.
Correct.
तो जहाँ पे फ्लो प्रॉपर जाएगा, तो जहाँ पे हार्ट का पेशेंट है तो हम हार्ट केयर भी रिकमेंड करते हैं इसके लिए.
और जो ये मेडिसिन है Dicare, हार्ट केयर, ये इट्स आवर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और लाइक वी आर टेकिंग.
We will be discussing that tomorrow. We will be
अच्छा.
taking it up tomorrow. Okay, now can everybody see my screen? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we come with ways of earning, which everybody wants to know. Okay. The first way of earning is via consultation. Consultation over here includes 2 parts. One is counseling, one is consulting. Counseling you may do only one time. Okay. The first time when a patient comes to you, you do the counseling to
Your voice is
understand
low,
his
ma'am.
condition or
Hello?
her condition.
Hello?
You understand his or hello.
Your voice is very low, ma'am. Meena, ma'am.
Hello. Is it now clear? Is it now?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Meenal, ma'am.
Can you now? Can you hear? Can you hear?
There is some
No,
network issue, I think so. There is some
lot of
network issue.
problems.
No, because the net is going off today. That is also one of the reasons.
मैम आपकी
Okay, so
वॉइस
but can
क्लियर
you
नहीं आ
hear
रही.
now? Is it clear?
सॉरी मैम आपकी वॉइस
हाँ,
क्लियर नहीं आ रही. हेलो.
क्योंकि नेट आज अप डाउन जा रही है मेरे यहाँ पे.
ओहो.
हेलो.
ओके.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
There's a net का issue over here.
Meenal madam is having a connectivity issue. Fluctuations बहुत हो रहे हैं, तो इसलिए उनका जो volume ये है fluctuating रहेगा. We can hear her at a stretch and sometimes we can hear her
Yes,
a little low.
yes.
please please bear with us. It's all network issues, so at personal level we cannot help this. Meenal madam, you
Okay.
can continue. We are having
Yes.
a little connectivity issue, but I think you go a bit slow so that we can clear it out.
Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing it. Okay, can everybody see my screen right now? Sona madam,
No,
at
the
least you
screen
just
is
tell
नहीं
me.
नहीं स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर हो रही है मैडम आपकी. आपका सिर्फ ये दिख रहा है. स्क्रीन आपकी नहीं दिख रही है इस वक्त.
Okay, 1 second. I'll just share the screen. 1 second. Okay, can you now?
हाँ नहीं मैडम, आपकी स्क्रीन अभी भी विजिबल नहीं है.
अभी दिख रही है?
नहीं.
अभी दिख रही है? What about now?
सॉरी नहीं मैम, अभी भी नहीं दिख रही. एटलीस्ट आई कैन नॉट व्यू योर स्क्रीन.
No, even I can't see.
1 second, let me check again.
If there is a network
What
issue,
is
then
the
it
issue?
will take some time to display actually.
Can
Can you give me the controls? I may share the distributor screen for you. Ma'am, your audio is also fluctuating. So आप थोड़ा connection में आ जाएं, and if you can give me the controls, I may share my file with them on screen. Okay. I will share my audio, my screen with them.
Hello.
Yeah. Kindly bear with us, Dr. Umesh. We are just in the connection.
Sure.
Kindly let know if you all can see my screen.
Okay.
क्या
Not yet.
आपको? Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so I think I'm having a little bit issue.
No.
Same
It has
here.
come. No. It is there.
You
Again
can see
gone.
my screen?
Again gone.
अभी दिख अच्छा 1 minute.
It's coming and going.
Okay, because I was switching.
आई बराबर है अभी. Don't disturb. Okay.
हाँ इसीलिए तो. Okay, great.
अरे वापस गई.
Madam,
Yes. Don't touch at all.
ना नहीं अभी दिख रही है ना?
हाँ अच्छी तरह से है.
Okay, madam, Meenal madam, can you view my screen?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, can everybody hear my voice?
Yeah. Now it's audible.
Okay, so let us come with the first. Sona madam, if in case you can just open the distributor file.
It is done, madam.
Okay,
It's
done.
visible now.
So, okay. So the first point is with dealing with the consultation. Okay, in consultation there are two parameters. One is counseling parameter. The second parameter is consulting. Okay, when we say consulting means you are with the patient from the day the treatment starts till the
Ma'am, your
patient.
voice is gone.
till the time the patient's treatment is going on. Can you hear now?
Yes, yes. It is
Okay.
very strong. Yeah,
Yeah.
loud.
So till the time the patient's treatment is going on, you are in touch with the patient day in, day out, where consulting plays a crucial role. Counseling, you do one time, you take the patient history, you prescribe him certain supplement by taking the help of your senior buddy to understand what supplement to be prescribed. And then you have to tell him, okay, this all you need to do it at this is the time of interval. If in case the patient says, I will be monitoring on regular basis, I don't need, any support from your side. So it is
Hello.
okay. But if it, that, hello,
Yes, yes, yes. We can hear
it
you.
is, yeah. So there, then we ask you to take consulting 1 month advance. Depending upon your area, depending upon the type of the patient, depending upon the line of treatment, this counseling and consulting charges are your whole entire is your own amount. In this, hospital is not taking anything from you. Hospital is not at all, going to ask you for any profits over here. But yes, if in case you are taking the guidance only just to understand first time, second time, third time, and once you become your own therapist, once you know how it is to be done, then if in case you are taking any therapist support, you will be asked to share 20%, 80% would be yours. But if in case you are telling that patient consulting to be taken by other therapist, then that consultant patient will share 80-20. Means he will take 80%, he will share with you 20%. But the supplements, whatever is being prescribed, will be prescribed through your ID. So the benefit of the prescription of the supplement will be with you, but the counseling and consulting will be on a shareable basis if you are taking the help of another therapist or if you are asking any other therapist to work with you. For an example, I do counseling, I do consulting. I don't charge the patient. Okay. So that time I will tell, if in case I'm taking the help from Pradeep sir. So I will tell Pradeep sir, I'm not going to be charging any of the patient my counseling fees. So I will not be able to share. I have to be very open over here. Because then he knows what it is and how it is to be done ahead with us. Okay. He will be there with me always to guide me. As he knows I'm just doing a charity. So he will, not even bother to know, about what am I doing with the patient. But yes, he will always be there for me as a guiding pillar. Always. Because मैंने उनको पहले ही बोला है मैं कंसल्टिंग नहीं ले रही हूँ, काउंसलिंग नहीं ले रही हूँ, तो वो बॉदर नहीं करेगा पेशेंट्स को पूछने को या पेशेंट को बात करने की. नो, it's a faith of a trust. Because you are trust for us. You are a face for us. But जो supplements जाएगी उसको, that will be through your ID. अगर समझो आपका कोई पेशेंट है, मैं ट्रीट करती हूँ या सोना मैम ट्रीट करते हैं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट टाइम काउंसलिंग सोना मैम टेक्स और फर्स्ट टाइम काउंसलिंग आई टेक इट. सो वट एवर द काउंसलिंग चार्जेस आई विल चार्ज देम, I will be sharing it with you at the proportion of 20%. Why? Because I am doing the entire counseling. अगर वही पेशेंट है, आप उसकी काउंसलिंग करते हो, आप मेरे से गाइडेंस लेते हो पूरा, means you're not taking the support from your own body, but you're taking the guidance from other therapist. वहां पे भी आप शेयर करोगे 20%, 80% आपके पास आएगा. जैसे समझो ये पेशेंट को मैंने पूरा काउंसिल किया है, तो मैं आपको 20% शेयर करूंगी, पर जो इसको सप्लीमेंट प्रिस्क्राइब होंगे वो आपके आईडी के थ्रू होंगे, क्योंकि ये पेशेंट आपका है. तो आपकी अर्निंग आपके पास ही आ रही है। अगर वही पेशेंट को कंसल्टिंग लग रही है, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, मैं उसको बोलती हूँ यू हैव टू पे मी 10,000 रुपीज फॉर एंटायर 1 month. So 20% I will be sharing it with you. 80% I'll be keeping with me. Why? Because I'm in, day out with the patient. और उसी बीच में उसको कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स लगती है, उसके बीच में उसको CMD लगती है, या समझो ही इज थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग अ गो आयोनिक मशीन, that will be through your ID, not through my ID. Is this clear? Is this clear? Somebody
Yes,
can
yes.
answer me yes or no.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes. Yeah, when we talk about the income, जो supplement की income जाती है, that is your 100% your own income, right? So that range of supplement will vary from 11% to 30% depending on the supplement what you are giving them. Plus on that you get point value returns. Point value returns, for an example, your points are 6,000, 10% of that will be returned back also to you. So you are getting two profit. One is on the supplement, the distributor price, because you are giving to the patient on an MRP price. The second is on the point value. For an example, I have accumulated 10,000 points. So 10,000 ka 10% becomes 1,000. So that is an extra which they are giving on a benefit per se. So this also, the point value will vary from 5 to 30%. It is not going to be sure 10%. It is going to vary upon the supplements what you have taken and what is the value on that supplement. Then comes the second earning, that is hospitalization. Your patient is very serious. He needs a treatment immediately. So what? We have got our hospital, GSK Wellness Hospital, where we have got both the types of doctors available with us. If in case I talk about the urologist, we have urologists with us. If in case you want a gynec, we have got a gynec with us. Patient says, I want to go with the normal treatment like others. So here he can go through normal treatment. तो normal treatment में भी आपको earning होती है. You earn some proportion in that. And what we give you 15 to 20% on the profit of the hospitalization bills. Here you are not our loss partner. You are a profit partner. If in case same patient with seriousness, wants to go with an advanced therapy treatment, not with a cohort therapy, even that will be coming to you as a sharing, which will be from 15 to 20%. Plus, if in case he is going via therapy, so supplements will be provided. Even otherwise, the doctors gives them supplements, right? So whatever supplements are going through us will be with a profit of, you will be earning with a profit of 11 to 60%. Plus over here also, your return value. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, just want to ask one question.
Yes.
What is the process of referring to like hospital for blood test or for any consultation or for any admission like surgery?
You will consult your senior buddy. You have come through Dr. Afrin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Dr. Afrin will be guiding you at each and every stage.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
That is the reason we have given you senior buddies. If in case she is not able to help, or you are not able to connect her, for an example, not even a help, you're not able to connect her, I would say. So then you can connect with her senior buddy, that is Mr. Pradeep Kohar.
Okay.
Who's the founder.
ठीक है.
So one message from your side saying that this is what I am, he will automatically connect and give you the output.
Okay. ठीक.
Yeah. Then comes,
Yeah.
we have got health trainings, which are going on a paid basis. So in this, what will happen? You are training people. Could be, they may be patients, they may be partners. If in case you are a partner, and for an example, I organize the paid training, okay, and you want to be part of it. So here you will pay me 50%. You're not going to pay me 100%. If in case you are coming through via somebody, say you are a patient and you are coming via Dr. Afreen to me, Dr.
Hmm.
Afreen will be Dr. Afreen will be shared 50% of the profit. Understood both the concepts?
Yeah, yeah.
If you are a partner, you are joining my training, you are getting 50%.
Mm-hmm.
If in case you are the same patient, Dr. Afreen is referring me, who is a therapist, or say Dr. Sona is referring me. So there's Dr. Sona or Dr. Afreen will earn 50%. Along with that, if in case we have a paid training and you are part of that paid training, some amount will be shared anyway. Say for an example, Sona ma'am is coming up with some training and she wants me to be part of it. Some amount she is going to be sharing it with me. So that becomes an earning for me again. That way, we have got different types of training over here. Here, the profit up to 20% of the fees of those sent for training, plus the supplements, whatever, because he is your patient. You are your own partner. So automatically, whatever supplements, it will be via your ID. Is this clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So then we have got the fourth module of earning is franchisee. In franchisee, when we say you can start your own business, that too medicine free world, right? So here we are not insisting for you to be a franchisee at any cost. We are not asking you to stock the material when you don't know what the outcome is. Here we give you both the ways of earning as a franchisee. One, you invest, company will manage the show, where even your expiry products will be taken care by them on timely basis. Any scheme coming in, they will be taking it care also that. Here the income itself is 5% to 30% your passive income. Plus 10% profit on the franchisee fees. Third you are getting is on the point accumulation too. Now, for an example, Dr. Umesh, or say
Yeah.
Narendra, you both have got connect, you both are in the same industry, for an example, wellness industry. You are known across India, okay? Somewhere you know you have got more patient, there you want, you can take the franchisee, okay? If you want a franchisee, but you don't want yourself to involve the time, so we have got a people over there to manage. So, but the income, the profitability will be shared with you, right? What the pricing, you're supposed to be getting it. It will be your profit. Because we don't want unwantedly you to be incurring an income which you're not sure about the treatment starting with and how the patients are going to come to you. You have patients, but you don't know whether that patient will go only with the therapy or whether that patient will also be going with the supplements. So in the initial phase, you will obviously be not wanting to invest in a huge amount. So we give you that flexibility. Then comes the fifth is direct
Hello.
selling.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have some doubts on franchisee.
Yes.
What is the franchisee minimum fees?
See, as I told you, we never insist on it. But still, if you
But-
want to go with it, we say 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
That too depending upon your area, which can start from 50,000 to 5 lakhs.
So 50,000 also you can give a franchise.
Yeah. Because it depends on your area, na, Dr. Umesh?
Yeah.
I
And in
gave you an
50,000,
example.
what all support is given by the company?
See, we have a therapist, na? We have got people around, na? So then,
Hello?
jo product,
Hello?
hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then the supplements. See, we have got our distributors where we have got our teams, the therapists working across, right?
Mm-hmm.
Say for an example, you are staying in Kalyan. We anyway
Yeah.
already have a distributor or the franchisee in Kalyan. Okay?
Correct.
से
Yeah.
अभी समझो वो फ्रेंचाइजी नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट,
Mm-hmm.
वो नहीं है और आप
Yeah.
बोलते हो मैं मैनेज करता हूँ. सो व्हाट वी विल सी इज योर कैपेसिटी, योर कैपेबिलिटी एंड द patient over there in that area or the therapist available in that area, and then accordingly we will charge you.
Okay.
Then accordingly we will tell you कि सर आप ये इन्वेस्ट करो, इतने में आपको रिटर्न्स आना चालू करेगा.
मैम ये पूछना चाहता हूँ 50,000 में क्या प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे क्या पूरे कैसा?
सप्लीमेंट्स है ना, ऑल
हाँ वही
सप्लीमेंट्स.
सारे सप्लीमेंट्स आएंगे
Supplements.
50,000 में.
या
और
सप्लीमेंट्स
उसमें एम्प्लॉय सपोर्ट भी देंगे क्या कंपनी? एम्प्लॉय सपोर्ट.
employee support, we have the freelancers who are working.
अच्छा नहीं
We have
ऑफिस
the
स्टाफ वगैरह देंगे क्या? ऑफिस
देखो
स्टाफ
नहीं,
वगैरह
ऑफिस
एडमिन
स्टाफ देखो, अगर आपको नहीं, बिकॉज देखो आपके पास ऑलरेडी प्लेस है, राइट?
हम्म.
आप वहां पे ऑलरेडी संभाल रहे हो. अगर आप बोलते हो मेरे को नहीं मैनेज करना है, मेरे को चाहिए कंपनी मैनेज करे, तो देन इट सेकंड पैरामीटर ना, इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन व्हाट यू वांट टू गो, whether you want to do your own or whether you want to company to run the show.
अच्छा
I
अच्छा
told you we are giving you both the parameters over here.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the exit plan if I suppose 6 months I am not like getting any fruits from that, then what is the exit plan
You
from that
can
franchise?
exit immediately, as we are not asking you to invest, so you are free.
So that amount invested it will be returned back.
Because all the products what you have sold, okay, we will
Uh-huh.
see what is the inventory pending with it and will be taken back, will be adjusted.
Okay. And what is the minimum space required for that franchisee?
That we will discuss tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow that lady is going to talk overall about this.
Acha.
So
And
she is
just
the one
want to
who's
know
going to answer.
and that any two different people can take one franchisee. If suppose 50,000 I am not affording, then two people can 25,000.
Sir, that is your dealing. That is you want the way you want to. It is your choice. If you want to be a distributor handholding, we have got even that distributor handholding also.
Acha. Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Then the fifth way is direct selling. Okay, direct selling में you know people, you know your friends whom you start with a therapy. You can just directly sell them the product from your ID. They don't need to be the partners with us or they don't need to be patient with us. अगर जैसे CMD है, आप किसी हेल्दी पर्सन को रिकमेंड करते हो, अपने नॉन फ्रेंड्स को या अपने रिलेटिव्स को या एक्वेटेंस को, you can do that. Because any supplements going will be through your ID. We are not asking you to give us the patient each and every details. Dr. Sona has been practicing since so much time. We have never asked her, you give us the patient details. So you can do that way also. All cannot be your partners. All cannot be your distributors. Then I spoke about the patient referral where you can earn. Say for an example, you have a patient, you feel I can handle it better, you refer it to me, I'll be giving you an earning. But the supplements, what it will be through your ID. Is this clear? This anyway patient referral, I've taken it in the case of counseling and consulting together. Then comes corporate presentation. I think time is up. Do you want me to continue this tomorrow? Is it okay?
You can continue with this corporate presentation, then you can wind it.
Yes,
because,
yeah.
You have already mentioned.
So corporate, So corporate presentation. you know, you may be knowing people around you working in the company.
Okay.
Where what you can do is create an awareness over there. Or say you want to present over there. Like one company has asked me to do the presentation over there.
Hmm.
I will be taking Pradeep sir over there, because depending okay, what are they giving us, how the things are going. So whatever the earning will be over there will be 50% will be my earning. If in case I'm charging them some consulting fees, 50% will be my profit, 50% will be going to the company.
Okay.
And
Because
the
I am
products which
taking
are
care.
sold during the
That
presentation.
will be through your ID. That will be through your ID.
Okay.
Because it is your reference.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We are not going to get into that detailing. We are only here, as I told you, we are your profit partners.
Mm-hmm.
We are there to be with you so that you grow.
Mm-hmm.
So it is your call. How do you want to?
So in any such of seminar, whether the logistics is arranged by the company for the product for that day, like some
See,
5,000.
supplements anyway. See, sir, if in case I am a partner, right? Anyway, I'll be taking my supplements, no, to show them.
No, in a bulk amount, I am saying for that day. Suppose 100
See,
employees are there in the
see,
seminar.
black 100 employees, you have to see. You cannot take 100%. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you cannot take 100% of the supplements over there. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
because you're not sure whether that 100% will be sold or not. But yes, to
Yeah.
an extent of 5% to 10%, you can always carry.
Acha, acha. So the
And
logistics who
anyway,
has to
the
arrange.
supplements, if in case they are not being used, they are being taken back even by the company.
No, the logistics who will take care of the products.
The logistics is you, because you are a partner. You are coming directly from there, na sir?
Acha, acha. Okay. Okay.
You are getting it. You are coming through it.
Hmm.
So when you are getting it, so
Hmm.
automatically you are taking the supplements with you. If in case समझो आपने 10% supplement ले लिया है, ठीक है?
Hmm.
उसमें
Hmm.
खाली आपके 5% supplement जाते हैं. And you tell
Hmm.
us to take back, we do take back.
Okay. Hmm. Just want to clear, nothing like that. Just
नहीं
want to clear
अभी
that.
जैसे नहीं अभी जैसे for an example, my mom's treatment is going on, okay? The
Hmm.
AP tablet which we were giving her were causing a lot of loose motions. So I
Hmm.
exchanged back. I took another supplement,
Hmm. So
which I knew is going on very
after
well.
opening also you take back or before opening the packets?
We not before opening, na. After opening, how will I take, na sir?
Okay. Yeah. Hmm.
Because I cannot take the used supplements, na.
Yeah. No, you told no the loose motions. Your mother is.
नहीं हाँ.
Was.
So we what the one packet which we had already started, we did not give that back. The other supplements we had taken 10 packets. Out
Okay.
of 10 packets, the second packet had already started. 8 packets
Hmm.
went back.
ठीक है. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So let us take it tomorrow. Yeah. And sorry really for today's the network issue. Thank you. Have a nice day. May God bless you all.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।